Thank you, Governor, and I'll just talk about the patent troll legislation. And first of all, Governor, I'd like to thank you for your support and for signing this into law. Senator Stewart and Delegate O'Quinn for your leadership in getting this done, and all of the other businesses and organizations that came together to support it. Those places in the world that have a strong, innovation-driven economy are going to be the places that succeed in the future. A big part of that is making sure that the scientists, the researchers, the entrepreneurs, the investors all have confidence that the ideas, the inventions that they're able to turn into businesses and profit are protected, and that those ideas are protected and inventions are protected. And the bad faith assertion of patent infringement undermines that system. And it is also very costly for individuals and businesses of all sizes who are the subject of that kind of bad faith abuse of our legal system. So, I think it's a federal responsibility primarily in the patent protection area. It would be nice to have some federal legislation to help protect against this kind of abuse, and I'm supportive of those efforts. But we can't wait around for that to happen. And so this is proactive legislation to stem the tide of those abuses, and businesses of all sizes are negatively affected and impacted when they get these unfounded claims and letters. And so I really want to thank everyone for coming together and making this happen.
Any our sponsors want to say anything?
Governor, I would just say thank you, particularly to the Attorney General when the General was just still a senator. I went over and told him that
some days he's wondering if he can go back.
Other days I'm glad I'm not.
I went over and I spoke to him at a break on the floor and told him this bill was coming, and he said, "Richard, absolutely, we will help you every way we can." And he put the full resources of the Attorney General's office behind it. Some really smart guys who were standing over there. And we were lucky enough to have Jeff Gallagher and Jeff Novak and Todd House to work on this bill. It was a real team effort. Complicated stuff and a real team effort. And thank you all. And thanks for not vetoing when I read that budget.
Yeah, I didn't veto any bad stuff.
Governor, if I could just mention, sure. Richard made a good point about the folks from my staff who worked on it. John Daniels, Josh Hesslinger, and Rich from our consumer division, Rich Schweiker from the consumer division, all really helped out and put in a strong effort to make this happen.
Okay, well, let's do the patent.